Imagine a world where art and design know no bounds, where creativity is limitless, and where the possibilities are endless. With the emergence of generative AI, that world is now a reality, and it's revolutionizing the way we create and experience art and design, allowing artists to push the boundaries of their imagination and explore new frontiers of creativity. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that uses algorithms to generate new and unique content, such as images, videos, and music, based on the data it has been trained on. This technology has been around for a while, but recent advancements have made it more accessible and user-friendly, allowing artists and designers to harness its power and create stunning works of art. One of the most exciting applications of generative AI is in the field of visual art. Artists can use generative AI to create intricate patterns, complex shapes, and even entire worlds, with just a few clicks of a button. For example, generative adversarial networks, or GANs, can be used to generate realistic images of faces, landscapes, and objects that are almost indistinguishable from real-life photographs. But generative AI is not just limited to visual art, it's also being used in design, music, and even architecture. Designers can use generative AI to create new and innovative designs for products, buildings, and even entire cities. Musicians can use generative AI to create new and unique sounds, and even entire compositions. And architects can use generative AI to design sustainable and efficient buildings that are tailored to their environment. The possibilities of generative AI are endless, and it's an exciting time for artists, designers, and creatives. With the ability to generate new and unique content, the possibilities for innovation and experimentation are limitless. And the best part is, you don't have to be a tech expert to use generative AI. There are many user-friendly tools and software available that can help you get started. As we move forward, it's likely that we'll see even more exciting developments in the field of generative AI. We'll see new and innovative applications of the technology, and we'll see artists and designers pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And who knows, maybe one day we'll see a world where art and design are created entirely by machines, or maybe we'll see a world where humans and machines collaborate to create something entirely new and innovative. But for now, let's just enjoy the ride and see where this technology takes us. If you're interested in learning more about generative AI and how it's being used in art and design, I encourage you to check out some of the resources available online. There are many tutorials, videos, and articles that can help you get started and learn more about this exciting technology. So, if you liked this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting new videos and updates on the latest developments in generative AI and other emerging technologies, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.